Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Selwyn Longkob, a tourism student, and today I will be sharing my reflection on a video I've watched about cultural sensitivity in the tourism and hospitality industry. As someone preparing to interact with guests from many different backgrounds, I believe it is important to understand how culture shapes people's expectations, behaviors, and communication styles. Watching this video helped me realize how essential cultural awareness is, not only for providing good service, but also for creating meaningful and respectful guest experiences. In this reflection, I will discuss what surprised me the most and what approach I would apply when dealing with culturally diverse guests. One thing that surprised me the most from the video was how small gestures like eye contact, personal space, or the way we greet someone can have completely different meanings depending on the culture. I didn't realize that something as simple as being very friendly and expressive could be considered rude or uncomfortable in some cultures. This made me understand that cultural sensitivity is not just about learning customs, but also about being aware of how our behaviors may be interpreted differently by the others. One approach I would apply when dealing with guests from different cultures is practicing an active and respectful communication. This means politely asking questions when I am unsure, listening carefully to what the guest needs, and avoiding assumptions. I will also pay attention to non-verbal cues such as tone, gestures, and comfort levels so I can adjust my interaction in a way that makes me guests feel respected and valued. Overall, the video made me realize that cultural sensitivity is essential in tourism and hospitality because we met people from different backgrounds every day. Being respectful, open-minded, and adaptable helps us create positive and meaningful experiences for all our guests. Thank you.